People have asked about the mosquito netting on this gazebo. So they've got these tie downs where it can stay when you're not using it, and when you do want to use it, it's essentially like a shower curtain. You're just going to pull these across, and now there's a zipper here, and when you pull the one from that side across, you can zip them together, and then it becomes like a giant tent. You can see right through it. There's barely one line where they sew together, and even when we have a view of the pool here with the screens out, you can see right through them. They just disappear. And because of the kind of fancy attachments here, they disappear when you're not using them as well. Hope that helps answer the question about the mosquito netting on this gazebo.